Now I'm going to show you a nifty little trick you can do with strings and lists and tuples in order to access more than one element at a time. So let's come up with a string here. S equals today. Okay, so there's S. So if we want to access just the first one, then we could go S0. Okay, now the trick is you could do, if you want to access more than one thing at a time, let's say we wanted to access Todd, then you put the first thing you want to access, which is 0, and then you put a colon, and then you put the where you want to stop accessing it. So the last index you would want to access to get Todd would be index number 2, because that would be the D there. And so index number 3 is the A, so we want to stop there. So we do S0 to 3, and that just gives us Todd. So what about if we wanted to access day? Let's go over that. The first one is 0, 1, 2, so S2, and then the last one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'd go up to 5, because that's where we're stopping. Alright, day. Now a nifty trick though, if you just want to get to the end and you know it's the end, you just leave that blank, and we just get day, like that. Alright, now another nifty thing is you can do that with the beginning. So if we just want to access Todd, just go from the start to 3, and you get Todd. Now let's see, yes. Okay, so if you want to access the last letter, then you can just do -1. Now that sort of makes sense because the T is 0, so -1 should go around to Y. But what about if you do -2? Well, then you get A, just like you think you would. And that's pretty nifty. Now if you go out of range though, so out of range would be 5. Let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Going out of range will give you an error. Now you can also do this with lists and tuples. So T, make a tuple named T with 1, 2, well, 10, 20, 1, 8. Okay, let's say we just wanted index 2 onto the end. Then we could go T2 to the end. And then we get 1 and 8. And that is a rather nifty way to access things, and it will come in quite handy later when you have to do more complicated things with these.